Is a Bioclear tooth more prone to staining?
Okay, another great question. Now, like anything else in the mouth, if we bathe our teeth in dark cherry juice or red wine all day, you're going to stain your own natural enamel to a degree, and it also stains the biofilm, the sticky white stuff that gets in our teeth. And so until you have your teeth cleaned, a lot of times the biofilm or the deposit on the tooth picks up the stain. And so a properly injection molded Bioclear restoration is incredibly stain resistant. It's got a very smooth, impervious surface. The other thing is we don't have margins or gaps in between, like little patchwork of the material where the edges stain. There are no edges with Bioclear. We normally ensconce the entire tooth with this restoration that doesn't have any gaps or seams or what we used to call margins with bonding. However, with anything else, smoking, excessive coffee, lots of dark things, these can discolor almost any tooth. And so we don't want to be too wild with the amount of these dark staining agents that we put on the natural tooth or Bioclear.